I attended today's workshop just to understand the next phase of our journey with Oliver Wight. We're currently in the process of implementing IBP, and we've had a great session so far with our consultant getting the design, a critical design review completed. And I wanted to make sure that I understood how we can unlock further potential going forward. Well, our biggest business challenge at the moment is meeting customer demands. We've had an incredible few years of growth, and the customers' demands and the timelines for what they need in flexibility become shorter and shorter, whilst our supply chain has longer and longer lead times. So our biggest challenge right now is meeting those demands with the shortest amount of lead time for my supply chain and planning. Well, from today's event, I'll definitely take back the learning of the elevator example that was given and make sure that we implement IBP, recognizing the change management part of the process and the need for people to be on board, and give them some sort of safety net, stop button, and reassurance that we won't be implementing IBP without the safety net and psychological safety nets that they need.
What is my personal automatic elevator? What is the technology that I rationally understand? So rationally I get it, I read the reports, I see it in the news, my colleagues say it's happening. So rationally I get it, but emotionally I might not be ready to step aboard.